Hey y'all know who it is. I'm Precious Jewel. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing roast beef. So I added a twist to it by adding some lemons. Y'all, when I tell you it was so good, you have to try it. If you tried it, leave it in the comments below and let me know. Now stay tuned. Yeah. Alright y'all, I started off by seasoning it. I used cayenne pepper, Tony Chachere's seasoning, onion powder, and some minced garlic. So I seasoned the outside, and then my daughter cut some slits in it and stuffed it with onion, bell pepper, and celery. So yeah, so right now what I'm doing is I started to just put it in the oven, but I decided against it. So what I did was I put some oil in my pan and I fried it on both sides. So as we were stuffing the roast, I was like, you know what, I want to do something different. So we turned it up a notch by adding some lemons. So my daughter was like, well, just put the lemons underneath it. And I was like, you know what, that's what I'm gonna do. So you're gonna see here in the video where I did put the lemons underneath it so it can just marinate and get up in there. Y'all, when I tell you, it was so good. So once I seared it on both sides, I put a top on it, just let it cook through and cook slowly. Then I took it from there and put it in the oven, which you will also see, and I put some aluminum foil on it and I poked some holes in it and I just let it cook slowly. I did that for about 30 to 40 minutes on about 350, and I cooked it on top of the stove for possibly like an hour. Okay, so listen y'all, it was so good. You're gonna have to try it. When you try it, let me know how it came out. This was definitely like a great surprise, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of the video. right, y'all. So I lost footage. Well, I thought I was recording. I'm not gonna say I lost footage. I thought I was recording when I was cutting up the roast, but unfortunately I didn't get that part in. So I did take it out the oven, and when I cut it open, it was not, if y'all know me, y'all know I like my meat well done. Now it was pretty much cooked, but I still wanted to just cook it all the way. So I pretty much cut it in big cubes and just pretty much pan fried it the rest of the way, which really didn't take me long at all, because like I stated, it was pretty much done. I just wanted it all the way done. So this is what you see right here, and as you can see that the lemons are still in the pot as well.